Room 29102. This is a Diamond Club presidential one bedroom suite. I'm going to bypass that amazing washroom space for a moment to get to the main bedroom area. So I walk in, you can see that big, beautiful king bed. That is a dream mattress, and those are hypoallergenic pillows. Gotten a bit of a tour here, so I've got a bit more information than what I usually have about the rooms. Nice little table and chairs. This room is a ground level room. So I have a garden view. You can see on the balcony or the terrace here, you've got a table with chairs, got an IPTV, and your amenity bar as well as some drawers. So you've got the option of two different coffee makers or machines. Got your little bar there, space for your luggage. But let's take a look at the bathroom before we go into the other living area. So you've got this big, beautiful jacuzzi tub, got a towel rack up above, big vanity, two sinks. Take a quick look at the shower area. Got a rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle, and a little shelf space where your bathroom amenities are and your towel. This is toilet, closing door. We'll come back into the rest of the room. We've got lots of storage here as well. Shelves, steamer. You also have a traditional iron as well if you prefer that. And your safety deposit box. Oh, these are my favorite. Beautiful plush robes. And your slippers. Now let's take a look at the living space. So again, you've got the one bedroom here and a fully closing door that separates the living area. And people can sleep in this living area because this is a sleeper sofa. So as I go in here, you've got a big, beautiful coffee table, some side tables, two chairs, and you have another washroom in here. This one has your sink, and behind the door there is another toilet. Got another fully operational closet here. It's your safety deposit box, as well as a place to hang your things, television. And of course, this also has a sliding door out to a private terrace. This is the living room area. We'll head back into the bedroom. This was a look at one of the beautiful Diamond Club one bedroom presidential suites here at Royalton Splash.